Hello, welcome. We're here at Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson. And this is today's Tàijíquán Tip. So this one, of course, comes with a warning. It's early spring, so mild, not warm, not cold, but a rapidly forming storm has just rolled through, and it's gotten quite cold, a little windy, and certainly rainy. Uh, so when you have an opportunity and you're not going to get sickened, that's going to be key. Practice your practice in the rain, which is just fantastic all by itself. That should be just plenty. Most people are going to take the option to go inside when the rain comes. But particularly here, what I'm interested in is paying attention to your shoulders. It's very easy in the rain for people, come a little closer, to kind of get here unconsciously, non-consciously. And as soon as they lower them, they'll find themselves coming back up. And so I'm kind of using the rain as this counter to my Tai Chi practice, which is, my common urge is to lift. And of course, I'm doing Tai Chi, which is to recede, to release the shoulders downward. So I'm kind of getting challenged in that by the rain. And maybe I'll have a chance to learn something about this sort of human nature thing as I practice. But meanwhile, enjoy yourself and then have a towel ready, cup of hot tea when you're done. And remember, Tai Chi is a fantastic way to study nature. And I didn't say outer nature, did I? Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.